Everyone wants to use AI to make money or work faster. Most people quit because they don't know what to learn first. Coursive fixes that. The biggest problem most people face with AI right now isn't a lack of tools. It's the opposite. There are too many AI tools available and almost no structure on how to actually learn or use them properly. People jump between ChatGPT, image generators, tools and prompt libraries, but nothing really sticks. You might generate a few outputs, but there's no clear direction, no long-term improvement, and no real outcome you can actually point to. This constant switches, creates overwhelming instead of progress, especially for beginners who just want a simple path forward. Coursive is designed to solve that exact problem by offering the guided AI learning experience instead of random tutorials or disconnected videos. Rather than throwing information at you, Coursive organizes its courses by specific AI tools and by clear goals such as writing, images, productivity, or content creation. This structure removes the guesswork around what to learn next and helps users move forward step by step. Instead of feeling lost, you always know what you're working on and where, which is especially important for people who are new to AI or short on time. Learning inside Coursive is broken down into daily challenges that focus on one AI tool at a time. This approach keeps learning manageable and prevents the overwhelm that comes from trying to master everything at once. Each session is, designed to take a short amount of time, making it easier to stay consistent even with a busy schedule. By limiting the distractions and maintaining a clear focus, Coursive helps users build real momentum and retain what they learn instead of burning out or giving up. Coursive focuses heavily on practical application rather than theory, which is where many AI learning platforms fall short. The app includes built-in AI tools that you can use directly inside the platform, so you're not constantly switching between websites. Pre-made prompt windows, they're made for beginners so that you don't have to start from a blank page, which removes a major barrier to getting results. This learn and apply approach ensures that every session leads to something usable, which will help users build real confidence with AI instead of just consuming information. So just a couple of additional points. You earn AI certificates that can be added to your LinkedIn profile, which helps with credibility. The app tracks daily learning and nudges you to show up instead of dropping off. There are strong Trustpilot reviews and multiple YouTube reviews showing real usage. If you want to learn AI without getting lost, click Start Now on Coursive and see how structured learning actually feels.